Have you ever wondered why typing on your iPhone feels slow or frustrating? The problem might not be your keyboard, it could be your settings. Here are 3 important iPhone keyboard settings you should change right now. Setting number 1, enable slide to type. First, open your iPhone settings and go to General. Then tap on Keyboard and turn on Slide to type. Now, instead of tapping every letter, you can simply slide your finger across the keyboard to type words. It's faster, smoother, and perfect for typing with one hand. Setting number 2, turn on autocorrection. Go back to keyboard settings and make sure autocorrection is enabled. This feature automatically fixes common spelling mistakes while you type, helping you send cleaner messages and save time. If you often make typing errors, this setting is a must. Setting number 3, enable predictive text. Finally, turn on Predictive. As you type, your iPhone will suggest the next word or complete the current one. Just tap the suggestion to type much faster. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes based on your writing style. These 3 simple settings can make your iPhone keyboard faster, smarter, and much easier to use every day. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and I'll see you in the next one.